The Solana trading bot, Axiom Trade, is a cutting-edge platform that offers a wide range of features for trading meme coins. To get started, users can sign up and receive a 10% discount on all trading fees. Once logged in, the platform provides a Discover feed where users can view trending coins, including those that have gained the most value over the past 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, and 24 hours. The feed can be filtered using in-depth options, allowing users to customize their search for meme coins. The platform also offers preset settings for trading, including options for buying and selling, slippage, priority, and bribe. Additionally, users can access quick buy options, making it easy to purchase coins with just a few clicks. The polls section provides information on new pairs and allows users to filter and reset their searches. Furthermore, the platform includes a trackers feature, where users can manage their wallets, track activities, and view live trades. Users can also import and export wallets, making it easy to manage their assets. After trading a certain amount of Solana, users can access the Twitter feed, which provides real-time updates and can be pinned to another tab for easy access. The platform also features perpetuals, yield options, and a portfolio section where users can view their owned coins and total balance. The rewards section allows users to track referrals and earn rewards for inviting others to the platform. Users can deposit funds by copying and pasting an address into their wallet or by clicking on the deposit option. The account and security section provides options for managing wallets, viewing recovery keys, and logging out. Overall, Axiom Trade is a powerful tool for trading meme coins, offering a range of features and options for customizing the trading experience. It is an alternative to other trading platforms and is definitely worth checking out for those interested in Solana trading.